Hello, everyone. I just wanted to say tomorrow there's a strike, and we'll try to manage your exam online. There will be a few ways for you to communicate with me. I will mention that you will have to join the WhatsApp group, and I think the best thing to do is to stay at home and do the exam online. Now, listen, this is necessary. Your exam timing corresponds to your final exam timing, which is your class timing, is 9 o'clock in the morning to 1300 hours, which is 1 p.m. So there's a 4 hour duration of the exam. What I need you guys to do first is you probably received an email like this stating you have been invited to participate in a class. Okay, this is called ISM Marketing Research. I sent it out. I'm pretending to be a fake student to show you what it'll look like. So click on this link and then register. Once you click on this link, you'll be brought to the class over here, and you'll see something like this, which will be locked till tomorrow in the morning. Ignore this. Okay, it says course starts at what do you call it, 9 a.m. local, 5 p.m. because it's related to the US. Okay, so you ignore that. It's going to be not for you, but it will unlock at course will start lock at 9 a.m. Okay, there's two dates, December, 5 p.m. to ignore that. It starts at 9 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. This will be unlocked by that time. I think I'll make it even earlier if necessary. So once you click on that, it's the only rubric in your course. So once you click on it, to demonstrate what it will look like, I'll show you from my point of view. So I need to show you how it looks like when you do a preview of these questions. So you'll see some instructions pop up like this, and I'll show you how that will be done. Here's a preview of that. Don't worry, you can watch it again. Quiz instructions. Okay, please attempt the following questions, yada yada yada. I will give you the instructions. Take time to read them properly. Tomorrow's quiz is open book. Is because I cannot monitor you. And I did mention it will be open book, I think, but I'll check on Become, and I will also on Become. I will do the same thing. Okay, I will go and put instructions there for you, just in case you can't access Canvas. So no hope, all hope is not lost, okay? We will manage somehow. There's technology to help us out, okay? And you guys are Duzyamane. And I'll put this over here again. And marketing research. So if, just in case if there's a problem, I'll let you know. What do you call it? I also told you for the final exam what to study, case studies. Okay, it might be similar. Okay, so be careful. I'm changing some things over here because now it's at home. It's no longer going to be closed book. It's going to be open book. So that you guys already know. It's going to be some of the same chapters, but I'm going to change a few things. Let me instruct you. I will put the instructions about all of this on Become. It will be still in the same style. There will be at least 4 questions and 4 hours. I was gonna prepare, 2 case studies for you guys, and I think I will put 2 case studies, and you will be attempting them. But the format can change. It could be open-ended questions too, so beware of that. So when you take the quiz, it shows you like question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 4, and so on and so forth. And right over here is the submit button. And with every question, there will be points over there. Okay. The number. So let's say there might be 3 points, 4 points. In total, the points will add up to 20 points. There's also the time remaining. Okay. You only have one attempt to do this. Okay. Be careful before you submit. Right now it says 5 hours because it's not necessary to know this. I have to change this as well. You have like almost 4 hours to do this. I put more time. That was my fault, but doesn't matter. We will all manage this properly. I have also the control to see how you're doing the exam online. If you're logged in, I will know. I can monitor all of those things. Okay, it's available over here when someone's doing a, what do you call it, conference or module. I can take you in attendance. I can look at the people. I can look at the grades. I can look at the assignments. I can go to the dashboard. I can look at everything. So I know when someone started it and when someone hasn't started. So remember, tomorrow you have to start at 9 o'clock. I cannot grant you any more time. If you start at 10 o'clock, you have 3 hours left. If you start at 11 o'clock, you have 2 hours left. If you start at 12 o'clock, you have only 1 hour left. Do not ask me for extensions, okay? You have to have internet access wherever you are You can even use the format of copy pasting the questions and then typing it out in Word and then reattempting it. So let's say the first question, number 1, is how do you do blah blah blah, and it says average is 80 words. In order to be safe, instead of typing here directly, okay, you can open up Word. Okay, well, the reason for that, it's always good to have a backup of your question, and you can type your answers here and save this. Okay, once you save this, and you copy paste from here, and then you just paste it here. The reason for that is just in case you might time out or you might not have internet, so you can immediately also say, sir, I don't have the connection got disconnected or something like that. I'm sending you the Word file in email format. That is fine too. Okay, I will accept that. So once you're done with all of this, all you have to do is click submit right over here, and it says okay, you've submitted. Once you submit, this is a preview of your draft. Okay, it will show up over here what it looks like, and I will not allow to change these things, but once you're done, I receive it. It also gives me the time you took to solve it, and that way then I can grade your papers as well. We have a secondary option as well, that is we can use Become to put the questions, and we communicate through WhatsApp as well. So I'm going to give you my WhatsApp number, and we can communicate over there for almost 4 hours. I will be available for maybe a few question and answers, but the whole point of the entirety of being there is to be a supervisor. You don't have to come to school because tomorrow's a strike. It'll be next to impossible to come to school for most of you, including me. And I will be publishing the questions and everything early in the morning. So by 8:30, you should be wide awake and fresh to do your exam. Okay. I wish you good luck, and I hope this guy, helps you out a lot. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can stay in touch with me. I'll be sending you a next email with this video.